Hey guys, Fake Wojo here. I'm moving my strategy now from the gold GLD to gold miners. This is gold mining companies listed in all countries. We've got GG, ABX, NEM, Newmont Mining, of course, Gold Corp. He was here somewhere. Somewhere, Gold Corp. But I think the deal is the COMEX might run out of gold, and paper is trading very differently than the miners. The miners, there's not as much capitulation as we had. There's not much not much volatility that we're seeing. So I'm changing my strategy from GLD to the gold miners. And if I didn't even think about it, but let's do it here. If you were to compare GLD to the miners, this is Newmont Mining. It mimics it pretty well. So what we're doing is removing as much risk as possible, and I think the risk we're removing is the volatility of GLD and the fact that there might not be any um, gold in a year or two in those funds at all. They're being looted. So the idea now is to trade the miners, because when this manipulation stops, the price is going to go through the roof, and the miners' stocks will go through the roof because they'll be trying to mine every possible ounce they can, because the price will be 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, 3,500 as the years go on, for a year or indefinitely. We don't know, but something as simple as Newmont Mining. I'll be starting to trade that. Made an up move. I'll probably wait for it to come down to its EMA. IAG is something I talked about. I got in at $3.50 with contracts, about 100 contracts. Made its move to 4. I dumped them, got in back again at the same price, which is strange because it was back down to like 370 or something like that. But I did get back in at the same price I was in at 350, and then dumped it again at 4. And I think that was the move for me for the stock IAG. That was the move for me. From here, the risk is not worth the return that I would get, so I'd probably wait for something else to set up in terms of technicals that I like. Barrick Gold, ABX, same thing. Probably start trading this one, looking at the technicals here. Um, this is Harmony Gold Mining. I'm not sure if this is a good play to do, but it's another speculative play. It's playing in the dollars. It's basically a penny stock if you want to call it that. And then Gold Corp is another miner. I think I'm not sure if it doesn't look like a mining pattern, but I'll do some research on this and see what happens here. The other thing that I do want to call out is it Herbalife? This isn't it. Something like that. There's a huge sell-off. There's a guy who's selling. This is the spiders. There's a guy who's really saying that Herbalife is a scam, and he's buying tens of thousands of puts for a year. So I'm probably going to jump on that bandwagon and see what I can do. Let's see if we can Herbalife stock. Herbalife. Here we go. HLF. I'm sorry that I didn't have this ready. It just occurred to me. So yeah, there's a back here. These 2 days there were tens of thousands of puts bought on each different day, and I think the strike price was 40 or something like that. So if it at least hits its 200 from where we are now, 70 to 63, you're well in the money if you're playing puts. So I'll probably jump on that bandwagon, because I think he's saying it's a Ponzi scheme. So this is out for a year. So I'm sure I think it was 40, 45. But again, even if there's this kind of nice Elliott wave pattern here at 45, even if it gets close to that 50, 55, if you're in at 70 to put down to 50, it'll be a good score. So that is it. Changing my strategy from the GLD, SLV to the miners and trading that, because I think, again, they've hit their bottoms and they're going to find their supports. I haven't really looked very much to find the supports for these miners, but when I do, I will put out another video and tell you what I think. Here, obviously, Newmont is the support, 23. You can see it definitely where it started to go sideways. But again, who knows? The MACD is saying that it's topped out, so it might find another turn down. I'll have to do a little bit of analysis on this and see where we stand. But that is it. I might hold 1 or 2 contracts, very small, 1 or 2 contracts, 5 maybe, for GLD, and just hold that for a year or 2 years, because at some point it will skyrocket and have 100, 200 day, 100 or $200 day intraday moves when this thing goes down. So I'll hold a couple positions there, a couple contracts, but I'll be trying to play the miners now going long. That is it. Talk to you guys later. Go any team, any football team you want. Hope they win for you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.